Hi everyone. Right, I've got a little project here for you. It involves tubes that you cut to different lengths and then you cut them in half and you can make your own false book. So a book collection, so it can go onto your bookshelves and you can do it steampunk, vintage, whatever you want to do with it. And I'm just trying different tubes using different fabrics and just adding little bits and pieces on here and there, and to make it more of a shabby chic one for me. You don't have to cut them in half, but it's easier when you're folding everything in. And then you can attach that, because it'll stand up, onto a plinth. Or you can just use different tubes side by side like that. Make sure they're all level. So I'm just going to put another one here, but I want a broader one. And I'm going to cut that. You just cut the tube the size you want. I'm going to turn that around and hopefully try and get it like that. Let's just see. No, they're about the same anyway. So just make sure they are levelled off. I think mine will do like that. Just going to put that to one side. I am going to do it from this purple. Now, yes, and I'm going to lace it up to make it look nice. So I've got this purple velvet. I just need enough like that. So I'm going to use my sharp, well, scissors. They are sharp. We do sell them in the shop. I think we've only got about 4 pairs left, so grab them while you can, because I'm not sure if I can get these again. So I'm just chopping off a piece of that. Lay it flat. We can trim it down afterwards. Yeah, we'll have to trim that down. So all you do, you need to put, you don't need to, but I'm going to. Using this string, we do sell it comes in 3 meters. And we're going to put, like it's a bookbinding thing. Yeah? So a little bit of glue. Like that. Pop on the string. Leave a little bit left over. You move it about when you're ready. That's it. Chop that off. I'm going to do 2 here and 2 here. Let me just turn this right way so I can do this. That's it. That's all you need. Like that. Chop that. I'm going to do 2 this end as well. Now you could cover these. You could make these up first, doing this and then adding tissue paper, and then scrumpling the tissue paper up, gluing it onto this, so covering the whole thing, and then paint and decorate them that way if you want to. You don't need to use material. You can use whatever you want, whatever you've got in your stash. Whatever, try both, you know. It won't hurt you to try both. Just play. It's just a great way to have a little bit of fun. Like that. So now we've got that on. Like I said, they look great when you're doing paper. You don't want too much of that on. Get rid of your bits and pieces. Like that. Now, all I do is I run the glue over the end. Like that. And then I'm just going to put it on and do that with it. And then just hold that and press it into the creases here. See? Oh, it makes it look like you've got covered a real book. We can sort all that out afterwards. So you don't have to be neat and tidy cutting things. Okay, so we've got that. Do exactly the same thing with this side. Make sure you got glue over there. Now with this, you can stretch it a little bit. That's it. See, doesn't that look good? I'd think so. Right, I'm just going to trim this down a little bit. It is velour, so scissors don't like velour really. Right, and then all I do is run the glue all the way along the inside. I do a double row because there's quite a bit of fabric to press over, and push it over with your fingers. So you're stretching that over like that. And we do exact same thing to the other side. Push that over. Do it where the string is as well. Like that, and then stretch everything over. Like that. Because that's all gets... Look at that. I think they look brill. But then I'm biased. It is me doing them. Poke it in so you're doing like an envelope sort of thing. Little bit of glue on the ends. Push it down. As long as it doesn't show here. And then we can do that, and then we stretch that over and push it down so that it's flat here. You can glue anything down that you don't like, but you're not going to see it. So the back, when it's on the shelf, stretch it over and push that in like that. Hey, look at that. Love it. Now we need a little bit of bling. I could use that or that one. No, I don't like that one. I mean, I like it, but not for this. Or the bling one. I think I'm going to use... Oh, do you know what? I've got some of those. So let's go all out posh and see if we can use those. Now, let's have a look at these on the back. That's going to stop it from... And they're not going to come off, are they? No, change my mind. Change my mind. Okay, right, I'm going to put this on, I think. No. Hang on. Let's get a handmade tassel. You could actually fix on with a loop and some chain and have something dangling. So I've got things like, let's see if we can get, oh, look at this. See that? Now I'm going to cut that. Let's put a bit of chain there. So I've got like a dangle. So I can attach that to there and it can just dangle off the book. Like that. Oh, I like that. Right, okay. Or, let's see if I have a tassel for it. I've got, oh look at that, perfect. Oh, I like that now. I'm going to put the tassel on it with the bling. So let's get a small piece of bling. Let's get this glued on first. We use that as the top and that as the bottom, I think. Bit of glue. Pop that on. Like that. Yay! Now where's that little flower? Let's see if we can do it now. No, it's not, it's the wrong colour. I need something... Sorry. It doesn't... Oh, what's this one? Now, let me just see. I'm going to have that like that. And that can hang like that. I'm okay with that. Yeah, I'm okay with that. You can just decorate them however you want. So, then what we've got to do is to take hold of the one we've already made and attach it. And I think I'll have mine. No, I'm going to go that side. So, what you do is, you only glue where it's going to stay. It won't go past that. So we pop that on. Like that. And we stand that up. That's it. Like that. And you can continue and do a whole row. So that's just a little tip for you to try something new. And I'm going to put a little bit of bling in there, I think, as well. Let me just, here's a little bit of chain. Just a little bit of bling, that's all. Let's just pop in, just to brighten this bit up a touch. There, like that. Oh, very sweet, isn't it? And there you go. False books. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. More ideas for you to take away and play with. Bye bye for now.